Hi guys, how are you all? I hope all are safe and doing good. In today's video, I am going to discuss about some topics like select statement and where class. If you want to select some columns in our database, that is in our table, some table, we are going to use this select statement. And also we have one more thing, that is select distinct statement also. I will show you how it will be helpful in our query. So firstly, I have created two tables. I will show the information which we have in these tables. Select star from customers. See, I have created one table, that is customers and orders. If we want to uh, take all the columns in our table, we are going to use this star symbol. So firstly, we have to create this one. We have to tell that select star from customers. That is select all the columns from customers tables. We are going to take this one, and we have to remember this semicolon is mandatory in our SQL query. That is when we give this semicolon, it's going to tell that as the query itself ends here, right? So I will run this one. See, here we got the information and the columns which were present in this customers table. And also I will show you the information present in this orders table, right? I will run this query. So we have this information, that is we have 6 rows. We have six product information, orders information. So these are the, in this way we are going to select all the columns in our table. If you want to select a particular column in our table, how we can select? So here we are using select keyword, and here we have to mention the column name. See, here we have customer ID, that is customer ID from which table? From, I'm going to take orders table. See, we got a customer ID from orders table. If you want one more column, that is a product name. I also given some another column, that is product name in this orders table. So we will get that product name also. If you want all the columns, we are using here star, right? So if you want some particular column in our table, so we are using that column name from table name. Here syntax means select column name from table name. This is the syntax for select statement, right? See here, while running this customer table, I'm going to take all the information from customer table. See, we have this one, right? And also I'm going to insert some more values to this customers table. Values of customer name. I'm taking same values, some same values present here. Number. Sorry. I'm inserting some values to customers table. It has been inserted. So I'm going to take all the information present in this customer table. See, we got information, right? See, here we have customer name Sanjay twice and also Tarun twice, right? If you want, if you want to get only single name, that is, if we have same name twice, we want to get only single. Then we are going to use select distinct. Select distinct. Uh, in what column we have this names customer name from customers table, right? See here, I am selecting customer name from customers table, but I am using distinct keyword, distinct also. So, what will happen? I will show here, right? See, see. The names which repeated twice has been removed. We got only the names, right? Only once. In this way, we are going to. Also, we can use this distinct for counting some customer names. That is, here we have twice the customer names, right? So it's going to remove this twice of this name and going to count the number of the customers. That is, select count of. I will tell you this count function in next video how it will work. Count of distinct customer name from customers. See. Here I have taken a distinct customer name, that is it's going to remove the name which were present twice, and it's going to show only once all the names. So select count of. This count function will count all the names, how many names we have in this column, and so we will get number of. See, we got 5. Here, how many customers we have? See, we have 5. So when we count that customer's name, we are going to get 5. What was the use? Here we are going to get a number of customers. It's going to remove the customer's name which were present twice, right? Now I will show where class. That is select star from customers. I will show you first some what we call syntax. That is select start from customers, not start here. Because it is syntax, I am going to take column name from table name, and here we are using where class, and next here we are going to give some condition, right? This is the syntax for where class. For implementing some conditions, we are going to use this where class. So I will show you some example, that is select star from customers. I am selecting all the columns from customers table, and I am going to use some condition, that is where I want to get information whose name is. See, I will show you all the names which are present in this table. See here, I want to get only the information which are present under Tarun, right? So here I am going to give customer name is equal to Tarun, right? See here, I am going to select all the columns which are present in customers, and where customer name is equal to Tarun. I have implemented some condition. It's going to check customer name Tarun, and it's going to get the information which were related to Tarun. See here we have that Tarun information, right? In this where condition, we are going to use some operators like is equal to, less than, greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, and between operator, like operator, and in operator. We are going to use these operators in where class while using this condition. And also I want to tell something like when we use text in where class, that is we want to use this single quotes. If we want to use some numerical values, we don't want to use this single quotes. But when we are using that alphabets, that is characters, we are going to use the single character. And also we have discussed this between like operators in previous videos. And I will show some more examples about this where and select statements in next videos. Thank you.